Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to filter data in Excel, including text, numbers, dates, and even some advanced filter tricks. We will cover 3 easy methods to apply filter in Excel. Let's get started. Let's start with the first method, using a shortcut key. The fastest way to apply a filter is by using a shortcut key. Click anywhere inside your data, then press Ctrl-Shift-L. This will instantly add filter drop-down to your column headers. You can now filter text, numbers or dates from those drop-downs. Press the same shortcut again to remove the filter. Now let's move to the second method, using the Home tab. Select your data or click any cell inside the table. Go to the Home tab. Click on the Sort and Filter button on the right. Choose Filter. Now you will see filter arrows appear on each column. Click them to filter by text, numbers, or even search specific values. The third method is from the Data tab, which gives you even more filter options. Click inside your data. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on the Filter button. This adds filter arrows to your headers just like before. From here you can also access advanced filtering options like filtering by color, numbers, range, data filters, and more. So these were 3 quick methods to filter data in Excel: shortcut key, Ctrl-Shift-L, Home tab, sort and filter option, Data tab, filter button with advanced option. Use these to quick find the information you need, no matter how large your data set is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.